Hi, my name is Ravindra Wagmare. I am from Mumbai. I am a learning facilitator and a career advancement coach. Last few months, I have been presenting short videos on management topics, especially focusing on people management, team management, or self-development. Today, I am pleased to present to you my 11th video, and today's topic is Adopt a Tactful Conversation. What is very important that if somebody wants to be successful in his job or a business, one has to have a tactful conversation. Now, you may also get the idea of the word diplomatic or the other word strategist. I'm not going to go into the details of those. A diplomatic word is totally different for a different context it is used. I'm using this tactic word for a common purpose for anybody as far as creating a proper interpersonal relationship and helping this people management skill into development of self, company, team or whatever. Then it becomes a very important for that a manager who goes on the top level slowly is seen adopting a very tactful conversation. He doesn't react immediately. He will listen to it. And this is what some attributes I have contributed, I have brought together in the word tactful itself. This word tactful is divided as per the letters, and there is one special attribute attached to each letter of tactful spelling. The first letter, of course, is T in the tactful word. T is think before you speak out. It is very important that even in any situation, when you speak something, it is very important that think and then speak. Fire your brain before you fire your guns. It was said in the past. So it is very vital that don't open your mouth and say something immediately without going deep into understanding how things are happening. And this is very crucial and critical into the important negotiations or discussion when it takes place. Think before you speak. The second letter is A. And A starts with the word apologize. Apologize if you create a blunder. Generally, the leaders don't like to accept that I have created a blunder, but it is very important. Your value will go up the moment, suppose you, by whatever reason, have taken a wrong decision or thought it otherwise. It is better that apologize quickly, and that helps a lot. Apologize quickly when you create a blunder. The third letter is C. Converse, don't argue. It is very important in the conversation, the tactful conversation, the conversation must go on. Conversation between two people, two parties, two nations, two states. But if it is converting into an argument, then there is no end to it. Because then argument will continue and the whole purpose or the whole main purpose is get defeated. The fourth letter is again T in the tactful word, and time. T is time your comment. Your comments, loose comment, unnecessary comment, uncalled for comment, untimely comment create a big issue. So try to avoid that and time your comment at the right time, at the appropriate way. It may help, otherwise it will create a problem. The next letter is F. Focus on the behavior and not on the person. For a tactful conversation and a successful manager or a business person, it is very important that look at the behavior and don't just generalize the personality. Don't focus on the personality. Look at the behavior and correct the behavior. And this is tactfully one has to do it. If that happens, then person also feels, oh, he is not targeting me, but my mistake. And let us improve that mistake. The next letter in the tactful word is U. You don't use foul language or insulting word. Don't use of foul language or insulting word hurts people, and then all the purposes are lost. And for a conversation, a tactful conversation, it is very important that we avoid using foul language, bad words or insulting language. Last but not the least, the last letter in the tactful is L. L, listen to the feedback. It is very important and vital that you listen to the feedback which comes to you, good, bad, or whatever it is. Understand that, because everybody has got right to give feedback, and when you deal with people, it is always you will get a lot of feedback and act upon it. So this is how one has to be a tactful in terms of creating a tactful conversation which will help in the career of people. I hope you like my video number 11, a tactful conversation, and it can help you in your own career. Thank you very much. Please put yes on like, and then also subscribe. Thank you.